Miracle health benefits of aloe vera, a nature's panacea. Aloe vera, a succulent plant renowned for its medicinal properties, has captivated the attention of healers and herbalists for centuries. Hello there. Welcome to our YouTube channel, and thank you so very much for subscribing. I do not take it for granted. I appreciate all the likes and comments. Before we get into this discussion, let me make a disclaimer. I am not a nutritionist. This video was created to inform viewers to explore alternative paths that empower individuals to achieve holistic well-being and enjoy optimal health. While embracing alternative options such as herbal supplements and holistic nutrition, please professional medical advice. Nature Life Remedy is a research-based information-related content. It is not a substitute for medical professional advice. It is solely for general informational. In today's video, we will be discussing how important aloe vera is to our health. Modern scientific research has corroborated many of these traditional beliefs, revealing an astounding array of health benefits associated with this remarkable plant. 1. Antiseptic and antimicrobial properties. Aloe vera, a succulent plant renowned for its therapeutic properties, harbors an array of active compounds that bestow upon it potent antiseptic and antimicrobial capabilities. Among these compounds, aloe and anthraquinones stand out as formidable guardians against infection. Aloe, a bitter glycoside, boasts remarkable antimicrobial activity against a wide spectrum of bacteria, including the dreaded Staphylococcus aureus and Escherichia coli. Its ability to pierce the protective barriers of bacteria, disrupting their cellular metabolism and ultimately leading to their demise, renders it an effective natural disinfectant. The combined antiseptic and antimicrobial effects of aloe and anthraquinones empower aloe vera with exceptional wound healing properties. Applied topically, aloe vera gel promotes rapid tissue regeneration, reduces inflammation, and effectively combats infection, accelerating the healing process while minimizing the risk of complications. In the realm of hygiene and infection control, aloe vera's antiseptic and antimicrobial properties hold immense promise. 2. Wound healing and scar reduction. Aloe vera, a succulent plant with a rich history in traditional medicine, has garnered significant recognition for its remarkable wound healing capabilities. Modern scientific research has substantiated these claims, unveiling its potent anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and regenerative properties. Aloe vera's wound healing powers lie primarily in its complex composition of active compounds. Ace-mannan, a polysaccharide, accelerates tissue regeneration, promoting collagen synthesis and fibroblast proliferation. 3. Anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving effects. Aloe vera, a succulent plant renowned for its medicinal properties, emerges as a potent anti-inflammatory remedy. Its gel-like substance contains an array of active compounds, including aloe, anthraquinones, and polysaccharides, which exhibit remarkable anti-inflammatory and analgesic effects. Aloe vera's anti-inflammatory properties have been extensively researched, demonstrating its efficacy in reducing pain and inflammation in various conditions. In topical applications, it effectively relieves sunburn, eczema, and psoriasis by calming irritated skin and reducing inflammation. Aloe vera's potent anti-inflammatory properties render it an invaluable natural remedy for soothing pain and reducing inflammation. Its efficacy in a variety of conditions, both topical and internal, makes it a versatile and effective choice for managing pain and promoting overall well-being. 4. Sunburn relief and skin protection. Aloe vera, known for its remarkable medicinal properties, emerges as an exceptional remedy for the discomfort of sunburns. Its cooling and soothing nature alleviates the pain and inflammation associated with exposure to excessive UV radiation. The gel extracted from aloe vera leaves contains an array of compounds, including ace-mannan, a polysaccharide that stimulates the production of collagen, promoting skin regeneration and healing. Additionally, aloe vera's anti-inflammatory properties reduce swelling and redness, while its moisturizing properties rehydrate sun-damaged skin. Applying aloe vera gel directly to the affected area provides immediate relief from the burning sensation and discomfort of sunburns. Its cooling effect reduces skin temperature, while its soothing properties calm irritated nerves. 5. Digestive health and ulcer prevention. Aloe vera, a succulent plant known for its healing properties, has been traditionally employed to alleviate digestive ailments such as constipation, diarrhea, and irritable bowel syndrome. Its efficacy in addressing these conditions stems from the presence of bioactive compounds, including aloe, which exhibit laxative effects, and anti-inflammatory agents that soothe the digestive tract. Aloe vera's cooling and soothing properties provide relief from the burning and discomfort associated with IBS. While further research is warranted to fully elucidate the mechanisms of action, the empirical evidence and anecdotal accounts suggest that aloe vera is a promising natural remedy for a range of digestive issues. 6. Anti-aging and skin rejuvenation. Aloe vera, a succulent plant renowned for its medicinal properties, has gained significant attention as a natural anti-aging agent. Its therapeutic benefits stem from its rich composition of vitamins, minerals, enzymes, and antioxidants. Studies have shown that the application of aloe vera gel can help reduce the visible signs of aging. The presence of polysaccharides stimulates collagen and elastin production, which are essential for skin elasticity and firmness. Additionally, aloe vera's anti-inflammatory properties help protect against UV damage, a major contributor to wrinkles and age spots. Aloe vera's multifaceted benefits, including its ability to promote collagen production, reduce inflammation, and neutralize free radicals, support its role as a natural anti-aging agent. Incorporating aloe vera into your skincare routine can help enhance skin health, preserve its youthful radiance, and promote overall well-being. Aloe vera is a veritable treasure trove of health benefits, offering a myriad of therapeutic properties that can enhance physical and mental well-being. Its natural antiseptic, antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and healing abilities make it an invaluable addition to any home remedy cabinet. From soothing sunburns and healing wounds to boosting immunity and supporting cardiovascular health, aloe vera has earned its place as a nature's panacea. Embracing the healing power of aloe vera can lead to a healthier, more vibrant, and fulfilling life. This brings us to the end of this video. Thank you very much for watching. If this video is of value to you, please kindly join us on this channel, where we aim to live a healthy lifestyle.